Before you say, Temu is cheap and I'm winning, ask yourself just one question. If the app gives you prices lower than almost anywhere else, what exactly are you paying with? Just money? Or also your data, your address, your purchases, your device, and the way you use your phone? I'm not making this video to tell you Temu is a virus. And I'm not going to tell you to delete it immediately and that's it. I'm going to show you 3 things yourself. What Google Play says, what your Android settings say, and what the official privacy policy says. And after that, you decide, keep it, limit it, or remove it like I did. Let's start with the most important point. The real question is the discount you're getting worth keeping the app installed on your phone all the time? The first thing you should do, open Google Play. Type Temu. Go to the app page. Scroll down to a section called Data Safety. This section is very important because it tells you what the developer says the app may collect and what it may share. You'll find information about data like personal information, location, and other types of data. You'll also find that some data may be shared with third parties, such as device or other IDs. It means the app may deal with identifiers linked to your device or your usage. That doesn't necessarily mean there is spying, but it does mean there is tracking, analysis, and data usage. And that's normal in many apps. But the difference here is that we're talking about a shopping app connected to an address, orders, payment, and buying habits. That's why you need to check before you trust. Second step, review the permissions from the phone itself. Open Settings, then Apps. Choose Temu. Go to Permissions. Here, check what the app has access to. If you find location turned on, ask yourself, why does a shopping app need to know my location all the time? It may need an approximate location or a shipping address when placing an order, but you don't need to leave location permission open all the time. Set it to deny, or allow it only when needed if the system gives you that option. If you find camera, ask yourself, why am I using the camera in Temu? If you're taking a picture of a product or searching by image, turn it on only while using it. But leaving it open all the time, no. If you find photos and videos, it's the same idea. If you're not uploading photos and reviews, and you're not using image search, turn it off. If you find contacts, this is the most dangerous one for me. Why would a shopping app need your contacts? Sometimes some apps use contacts for invitations or sharing, but the problem is that contacts are not just your data. They are names and phone numbers of other people on your phone. So if Temu or any shopping app doesn't actually need contacts, turn it off immediately. And if you find notifications turned on, the risk here is not strongly security related, but behavioral. Notifications in shopping apps are designed to bring you back to the app. New discount. Last hour deal. Product almost sold out. All of this increases the chances that you open the app and buy. So if you want to use Temu only when needed, turn off notifications. Third step, you need to look at the privacy policy. I won't read all of it, but I'll tell you what matters. Temu mentions in its privacy policy that it may collect data such as device type, operating system, internet service provider, language, unique identifiers, and service usage data. What does usage data mean? It means the pages you view, the things you search for, the products you add to the cart, purchases, and your interaction with emails or offers. It may also know your approximate location through the IP address. Again, this does not mean the app is a virus, but it means the app has a wide picture of your behavior as a user, and the more you use it, the bigger that picture becomes. The fourth and important point. This is not just about Temu. Any shopping app has the same idea to different degrees. Amazon, Shein, AliExpress, Walmart, any big shopping app may collect data to operate the account, orders, payment, delivery, ads, and improve the experience. But the difference is that Temu specifically is very popular in America because of the cheap prices and heavy advertising, and that makes people download it quickly without reviewing anything. I'm not saying here, don't buy from Temu. I'm saying, don't keep a shopping app installed on your phone all the time with permissions you don't understand. Let's do the right practical setup. If you need to use Temu, do the following. First, use the website from the browser instead of the app, if that works for you. Open Temu from Chrome or any browser you use. This way, you reduce the app's presence on your phone all the time. Second, use a separate email for shopping. Don't use the same main email that has your bank, important accounts, YouTube, and Google. Create an email just for shopping and offers. If spam, a leak, or annoying messages happen, your main account stays away from it. Third, don't save your card inside the app unless you have to. Use a secure payment method or a virtual card if your bank supports it, or an available payment middleman. The important thing is not to leave your payment data saved in every shopping app you try. Fourth, turn off any permission you don't need. Location, turn it off. Camera, turn it off except when using it. Photos, turn it off except when uploading a photo. Contacts, turn it off. Notifications, turn them off if you don't want offers all day. Fifth, after you finish buying, log out if you won't use it soon. And if you don't use the app regularly, remove it. You can download it again when you need it. And that's exactly what I did. I removed Temu from my Android phone, not because I'm saying it's a banned app, but because I believe a shopping app doesn't need to stay on my device all the time. Especially if I only use it once in a while. Discounts are nice, but privacy is more important, and peace of mind is more important. And your phone doesn't need to be full of apps collecting data all day just because you might need them after a month. In the end, write to me honestly in the comments. Will you keep Temu? Will you turn off its permissions? Or will you remove it from your phone? And if you want me to do the same check on another popular app, write its name in the comments. And if this video made you review even one app on your phone, press like and subscribe to the channel, because the next videos will reveal other apps that many people leave on their phones without knowing what they access.